Hi, my name is Renika Brooks, and this video will be how to make a great training video. Assist people that are, trying to learn how to make good training videos. Screencast. A screencast is a digital recording of a computer screen output, also known as a video screen capture, often containing audio narration. The term screencast compares with the related term screenshot. Whereas screenshot generates a single picture of a computer screen, a screencast is essentially a movie of the changes over time that a user sees on a computer screen, enhanced with audio narration. How to make great training videos? To get started making a good training video, you'll need to select a useful topic. You'll need a camera, web camera, or some type of camera, microphone, a good quality microphone, screen capture software, and video editing software. How to film a training video. You'll need to choose a format. Here's some formats to choose from. Screencast, like previously mentioned, a screencast trainer video is a recording of the computer screen. These are best for when training others on new software or computer system. Micro video. These are short training videos that focus on teaching one specific topic. These are typically less than a minute long, get right to the point, and appeal to the average media consumer who tends to have a shorter attention span when consuming video content. Presenter video, my favorite. Presentation videos are used when you record the slides you created using presentation software, so it's available for the target audience to watch after the fact or for those interested in re-watching multiple times after the presentation has ended. These videos can be created by simply recording the audio. They also tend to be longer in runtime than other types of videos. Animation. Animated videos, which are typically explainer videos, utilize animation software to incorporate text and graphics to get the message across. Interactive. Training videos with interactive elements is a newer format, where viewers are asked to respond to various situations, questions, and as the video plays. Doing so is a good way to ensure viewers stay engaged or they test them on the material previously mentioned in the video. Training video software options, just to name a few that you can try and use and learn. Camtasia, Screencast-O-Matic is what we're currently using right now. iMovie, Zoom, and PowerPoint. What makes a good training video? Anchor training videos to a learning objective. Stick to one objective. Create content for the learner, preferably around a persona. Stories, language, music, and other elements need to make immediate sense to the learner. Make training videos quick and easy to understand. If viewers are left scratching their heads wondering what the video was about, it has failed. The key is structure. Always start with an overview and follow a logical sequence. Create relevant content. Be sure the content is what the learner needs to perform a task. Make content memorable. This can be done through creative repetition, repeating key points in different ways. For example, a text graphic, a role play, and an interview. This would be an example of a good training video using Screencast-O-Matic. It's about 5 minutes. Here we go.
Hey, this real quick video is going to show you how to use Screencast-O-Matic, which is a free tool to record your screen in order to create tutorial videos, explainer videos, or any other way that you see fit to use this tool. So all you do to start is head to screencast-o-matic.com, and then you don't even need to log in or sign up or anything like that. Just hit start recording for free. We're going to focus on the free recorder here. So you're going to hit launch free recorder. The first time you do this, if you're in Chrome, it's going to download a little teeny program that's going to pop up at the bottom of the computer. And when you do that, you'll just click it. It'll install. And then every time you go back here, you won't have to install it again. I have already installed it. So I'm just going to launch this free recorder. It's going to show launch in the recorder. And then it's going to bring up the actual recorder. And there we go. Because I have my default set, there's my face right there. I have it set to blend both the webcam and the screen. I'll kind of show you the differences between that. But initially, we're going to start with the bounding box. The bounding box in the recorder is this dashed box. And when we move this around, we can pick where you're going to record on your screen. So for me, if I want to just record like this web browser, I'm just going to select this portion of the web browser. But you can do this for anything, for applications on your computer. Anything that's inside this box is going to be recorded on the screen. And then we have some choices. You could record just your screen. You could record just your webcam, which is going to be just your face. Or you could do both where if you have a webcam set up, it's going to be your face in the bottom corner here. If you need a webcam, you can come see me and borrow one. The max time we have is 15 minutes on the free version, but you don't need to do more than 15 minutes as no one's going to watch it. And computer audio, we're going to leave that muted, generally speaking, unless for some reason you want to record like sound or music playing on your computer. Narration right here, you can do a little test. You can see that it's moving as I'm talking. Right now, I'm just getting the audio from my webcam, but if you wanted to borrow like an actual microphone in order to have higher quality audio, you could see me for that as well. Also, usually your classroom microphone will work in terms of creating the audio, but the sound is a little bit tinny and not necessarily ideal. That's kind of your basic rundown here, and what we're going to do next is learn how to actually go about recording. So right here, I'm just bringing this up so the record button's a little more prominent. When we hit record, we're going to get a little countdown, and now we're actually recording. So I'm going to go and record. I'm going through processes. We're talking about a presentation. Maybe I'm going through a PowerPoint presentation and explaining that. Whatever it is, I'm narrating, recording. My face is in the corner here, trying to look at the microphone to try to make eye contact with the viewer. And if I get to a place where I mess up, what I'm going to do is hit pause. And then here's one of the best things about Screencast-O-Matic. If you mess up and you hit pause, you don't have to delete everything and start over. If you did want to delete everything, you hit the delete button, just start over. But what you can do is navigate, and you can go back and forth between different segments of your video, and then you can re-watch up to the point where you messed up. So I start watching. Try to look at the microphone, try to make eye contact with the viewer. And maybe that was the spot where I messed up. Then I hit pause. Now I'm right ready to begin where I messed up. And all I do is hit this yes truncate button. So I'm going to truncate, yes truncate, and then 3, 2, 1, and pretend like I just picked up where I left off when I messed up on my recording. After I'm done with my recording, because you can truncate as many times as you need, you just continue to go, and then when you're all done with your recording, we're going to hit pause, and from there we're going to hit done, and then save and upload. The free version doesn't have editing tools, but we don't really need those for just a simple explainer. Save and upload, and then when we go to save and upload, we could trim the video if you need to, and then I'm just going to hit save as video file. When I do that, I'm going to leave the type as MP4. That's a really good video file type. The file name, if I click it, I can give it a different name that makes sense. The folder, right now my default is my desktop, but I could hit browse to save it to a different folder. The cursor, a highlight cursor means there'll be like a ring around the cursor that shows where the mouse is going. If that's useful for you, leave it that way, or you can have no cursor or just the regular mouse. And then captions, I would really stay away from captions. I tend to, if I'm going to caption videos, do that once I've uploaded it to YouTube. That's a different tutorial, and there's way better tools on YouTube for doing that are way more efficient. And so right now, I'm just going to hit publish, and it's going to start encoding my video. And then as soon as it's done, it'll be saved to whatever location it was, and there you go. I have my video.
All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. Here's some links to the training video software options, the Camtasia, Screencast-O-Matic, iMovie, Zoom, and PowerPoint. I hope you enjoyed this video today. I hope it's helpful and you start making great training videos. Thank you for your time.